Welcome to the new session. Already we have discussed different definitions with respect to straight lines chapter and various forms of equations of a line. Under this section, we have completed the first one, that is slope intercept formula. And the slope point formula already we have written. What is meant by a slope point formula? If slope of a line is given and if one point is given, then we are going to consider the slope point formula. And if the given point is 0, 0, we have written the condition. So, if the given point is 0, 0, then the slope intercept formula that reduces to that means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that reduces to y is equal to mx. So, now let us consider some of the problems with respect to this slope point formula. So, let me consider the next question, that is the question is find the equation of the line, find the equation of the line with the slope, find the equation of the line with the slope minus 2 divided by 3 and passing through the point and passing through the point 5 comma minus 2 and passing through the point ordered pair 5 comma minus 2. So, let us consider this question. Find the equation of the line with the slope minus 2 divided by 3 and that passes through the point 5 comma minus 2. So, one point is given and the slope of the line is given. How to write the solution of the problem? So, if a point is given and the slope of the line is given, you can consider slope point formula. What is slope point formula? Slope point formula is nothing but required equation of the line is given by this form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And here we know that m value is given, that is nothing but minus 2 divided by 3 and the point is given x1 comma y1, that is the point with the coordinates 5 comma minus 2. x1 comma y1 is given with the coordinates 5 comma minus 2. So, this I can write it as y minus of y1 value is minus 2, minus of minus 2, that is y plus 2 equal to m value is minus 2 divided by 3 into x minus of x1 value is equal to 5. Or this I can write it as 3 multiplied with y, that is 3y, 3 2s are, that is 6m is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into minus 5, that is nothing but plus 10. Or I can write it as minus 2x to the LHS, that is plus 2x plus 3y and this plus 10 to the LHS 6 minus 10, that is nothing but minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, that is nothing but required equation of the line. And try to write solution for this question, that is write the equation of the line, write the equation of the line, write the equation of the line which passes through, write the equation of the line which passes through the point 3 comma 5, which passes through the point 3 comma 5 and with the slope 1 divided by 3 and with the slope 1 by 3. So, here try to write solution for that question, that is equation of the line we should find out, and in order to get the equation of the line, slope is given, slope is 1 by 3 and the given point is nothing but ordered pair 3 comma 5. By considering the given data, we can say that we are using the slope point formula, and by using slope point formula you are going to write solution for the given question. So let me consider, so here two forms of the equation of a line completed, that is slope intercept formula and slope point formula. Third one, that is nothing but 2-point formula. Third one, that is nothing but 2-point formula. Let's start with respect to the third one, that is nothing but 2-point formula. And here we can consider what is the use of 2-point formula. Use of 2-point formula means two different points are given. So if two different points are given, then how to get the equation of a line? How to write the equation of a line if two different points are given? So let me consider the graph or let me to consider the diagram, that is nothing but one is XO X dash and another line that is nothing but YO Y dash, or we are having XY plane. So we are considering XY plane. Now if we are considering a line such that 2 points are given, that is nothing but P is a point with the coordinates x1, y1. Equation of the line that passes through 2 points. So P of x1, y1 is one of the point, and another point that is nothing but Q of x2, y2. P of x1, y1 is 1 point and the other point is Q of x2, y2. In order to consider the solution, I can write one arbitrary point we can consider, that is nothing but P of x, y. P of x, y, that is nothing but arbitrary point which lies on the given line L, and this line is having, this line I can write it as L. So now in order to prove the 2-point formula or to find out the 2-point formula, we are using previous equation, that is slope point formula we are considering. We know slope point formula. What is meant by slope point formula? Slope point formula we can write it as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Clear? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is from the previous, that is we know that slope intercept form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is meant by m? M is nothing but the slope of the line, correct? Slope of the line, and here with respect to this line, I can write m as what is meant by m? Slope of two line joining points. We are having 2 points. P is a point with the coordinates x1, y1 and Q is a point with the coordinates x2, y2. Slope of these two line joining points, that I can write it as m can be we can write it as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substituting this value of m in equation star, then equation star can be written as, or equation star becomes y minus y1 is equal to m is replaced by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this formula itself we can call it as 2-point formula. This is nothing but 2-point formula. If two different points are given with respect to the line L, then equation of that line L is given by y minus y1 is equal to m is replaced by slope of the given 2 points P and Q into x minus x1. This equation we can also write it as y minus y1 divided by this term, that is x minus x1, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's consider some questions with respect to this. So I'll solve one question which is related to 2-point formula. That is, question is, find the equation of the line, find the equation of the line, find the equation of the line which passes through, find the equation of the line which passes through the points, find the equation of the line which passes through the point ordered pair, which passes through the points ordered pair 5, 4 and 2, 7. Find the equation of the line which passes through the points ordered pair 5, 4 and 2, 7. So here we know that the equation of the line that passes through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Clear? x1, y1 and x2, y2. How to write the solution? Solution for the problem, we can write it as required equation of line. What is the required equation of the line? Since it is given that the equation of the line passes through 2 points, we can consider this 2-point formula. And what is 2-point formula? So required equation is given by, that is, required equation of line is, required equation of the line is, so required equation of the line is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 into x minus x1. Substituting the values of x1, y1, x2 and y2, then that becomes y minus y2 value is 7 is equal to y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4, 3 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 5, that is nothing but minus of 3 into x minus x1 value is equal to 5. Or this I can write it as 3 divided by minus 3, that is minus 1. Y minus 7 is equal to minus 1 into x, that is minus 6, minus into minus, that is nothing but plus 5, or we can write it as x plus y, minus x to the LHS, that becomes plus 6, x plus y, this plus 5 to the LHS, that becomes minus 5, minus 7 minus 5, that is nothing but minus 12, which is equal to 0. So therefore, the required equation of the line, that is nothing but x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. And here the 2 points are given, line passes through 2 points. So therefore, by using the 2-point formula, we have written solution for the given question. And let me to give another question. For this, you are going to write the solution by yourself, that is, find the equation of the line which passes through the points, find the equation of the line which passes through the points ordered pair 2, minus 3 and ordered pair minus 4, 5. Write solution for this question, that is the second question. Find the equation of the line which passes through the points 2, minus 3 and minus 4, 5. So now let's continue with respect to the next form, that is nothing but intercept form. We have completed slope intercept form, slope point formula, 2-point formula completed, and the next one, that is nothing but intercept form. So already we have studied about intercepts, right? Now it is nothing but intercept form. What is meant by intercept form and how to solve the problems which are related to intercept form. Let me type the result or the statement. The equation of a straight line, the equation of a straight line, the equation of a straight line with x-intercept A, the equation of a straight line with the x-intercept A and with x-intercept A and y-intercept B and y-intercept B is given by x divided by A plus y by B is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Intercept form, that is the equation of a straight line with the x-intercept A and the y-intercept B is given by the formula x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. So, we know what is meant by intercept. What is meant by x-intercept? X-intercept means that is nothing but distance from the origin along the x-axis with the proper sign, that is nothing but x-intercept, correct? And the y-intercept definition also we know. So, let me to draw the graph of the function, and with respect to the graph of the function I can consider like this, that is with respect to intercept I can consider this diagram xo x dash and yo y dash, clear? So, let us consider the line. This line makes, or the given line L that cuts the x-axis at the point A with the coordinates a, 0, and it cuts the y-axis at the point B with the coordinates 0, B, and the distance from the origin along the x-axis, that is nothing but A, and this I can consider it as B, clear? So, now here the given data, whether any data is given here, equation of a straight line with the x-intercept A. So, what is meant by x-intercept is A? X-intercept is A implies that the line passes through the point ordered pair A, 0, and if the y-intercept is B, and if the y-intercept is B, then the line passes through the point ordered pair 0, B. It is given that x-intercept A and y-intercept B, that equation is given by x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So, let us write the first point, that is x-intercept is A. It is given that x-intercept is A. X-intercept is A implies that the line passes through the line, or you can write L passes through the point, the line, or L passes through the point ordered pair. X-intercept is given. So, therefore, x coordinate is present, that is A, and the y coordinate is equal to 0, that is the line passes through the point ordered pair A, 0. And we can consider another point, that is y-intercept is B. So, y-intercept is B. What is the meaning of y-intercept is B? So, y-intercept is B, which implies that the line passes through the point, the line passes through the point, line passes through the point, and the line passes through the point, we can say that ordered pair 0, B. The line that passes through the point ordered pair 0, B. So, here in order to consider the intercept formula, I am considering the 2-point formula. So, with the help of 2-point formula, we are going to write the derivation for intercept form. By the 2-point formula, we can write by the definition of 2-point formula. So, what is meant by 2-point formula? 2-point formula is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 into x minus x1. So now substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, and here as x1 comma y1 I am considering this, that is, so ordered pair a comma 0, that I am considering it as x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 means that is nothing but ordered pair 0 comma b, x2 comma y2. So now substituting here, that is y minus y1. What is meant by y1? 0. Y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1, b minus 0, that is b, divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a, that is minus of a, into x minus x1, x1 value is equal to a. So this we can also write it as LHS is y minus 0, or that is y is equal to, so here I can write it as minus a into y minus ay is equal to b into xm, b into minus a, that is nothing but minus of ba, or I can rewrite this equation as minus ba or minus ab to the LHS, that I can write it as plus ab. A into b is also equal to b into a, which can be written as b into x. So I am taking this minus ay to the RHS and minus ba to the LHS. Minus ay to the RHS, that becomes plus ay. Plus ay. So next step I will consider it as dividing throughout the equation, dividing throughout the equation by a into b. Dividing throughout the equation by a into b, that gives AB divided by AB. Directly you can write it as 1, or if it is required, write one step, that is AB divided by AB. B into x divided by AB plus AY divided by AB, or this is also equal to AB divided by AB, which can be written as 1. B cancels with respect to A, that is x divided by A with respect to A cancels, that is nothing but y divided by b, and this is nothing but the standard formula for the intercept form, that is x divided by A plus y divided by b is equal to 1. X by A plus y by b is equal to 1, that is nothing but the intercept form. We can find out the equation of a line. So if the x-intercept, what is meant by A here? A is called as, in this formula, A is called as the x-intercept, and the denominator of second term, that is B, is called as the y-intercept. So if x-intercept and y-intercept are given in the question, then we can write the intercept formula as x divided by A plus y divided by b is equal to the constant 1. Clear? So let me consider one problem or one example with respect to this, that is by using the intercept formula, how to get the equation of a line. Let us consider, the question is nothing but if A1 is equal to, if A is equal to 4, question, if the value of A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 2, if A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, find the equation of line. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, find equation of the line L. Find the equation of the line L. So A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 2 means that is nothing but intercepts are given here. So if the intercepts are given, then which formula I should consider? Required equation of the line. What is the required equation of the line? Required equation of the line is x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1, because the values of A and B are given. So required equation we can write it as required equation of the line, required equation of the line L is, required equation of the line L is x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. So substituting the values of A and B, x divided by A value is 4 plus y divided by the value of B is equal to 2 is equal to 1. And this simplification we can write it as 2 multiplied with x, that is 2x, plus 4 multiplied with y, that is 4y, divided by 4 2s are, that is 8 is equal to 1. Or you can also write it as 2x plus 4y is equal to 8, which implies 2x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Or we can also write it as x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. That is, dividing throughout the equation 2x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 by the constant 2, that gives x plus, dividing throughout the equation by the constant 2, that gives x plus 2y minus of 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is nothing but the required equation of the line. And with respect to this, so let me to consider another one problem, and for that problem you are going to write the solution, that is values of A and B are given. Try to get solution, that is equation of the line L. And here the values of A and B are, if the value of A is equal to minus of 3, if the value of A is equal to minus 3, and if the value of B is equal to plus 2, then find the equation of the line. Then find equation of the line. For this question, try to write the solution, and let me continue with respect to the next form of the line. So till now we have completed what is the slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, slope point formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, 2-point formula, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and the intercept formula, that is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Now let me consider the next form, that is nothing but normal form. So normal form of equation of a line. Normal form of equation of a line. So it is normal form of equation of a line, let us consider, and this is nothing but the fifth form, that is normal form. So let us consider the normal form of equation of a line. Statement is the equation of a line with the P as the length of the perpendicular which is drawn from the origin, and alpha as the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x axis is given by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So first let me to consider the statement initially. So we need to find out the equation of a line. When it is given that P is length of the perpendicular from the origin, ಈ ರೀತಿ xy plane consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x axis and y axis. So this is the given line, that is nothing but L. L is the given line, and the line cuts the x axis at the point A, and at this point A you can consider the coordinates as a comma 0, and the line cuts the y axis at the point B with the coordinates 0 comma B. Clear? And here we are using the concept of intercepts. So therefore this distance, what is this distance? Distance from the origin to the point A, that is nothing but A units, and distance from the origin to the point B, that is nothing but B units, B. Clear? So now we need to consider equation of the line L with P as the length of the perpendicular. Perpendicular is drawn from the origin to the line. So this is the origin, this is the given line. So this we can consider it as perpendicular. Perpendicular is drawn from the origin to the line and that length is given. What is this length? So P is the length of the perpendicular, and also given that alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. Alpha is nothing but angle made by this perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. Since this, I will name this as OM, and this is, since this is a perpendicular, so we are having the angle 90 degree at that point of intersection. So this is nothing but the diagram and the explanation of diagram, that is we are considering a line which cuts the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B. So therefore we are having intercepts A and B, and OM, that is considered as perpendicular, which is drawn from the origin to the line, and P is length of the perpendicular. Alpha is nothing but angle made by that perpendicular with the positive direction of x-axis. Clear? So let me consider now, in order to write solution for this, that is to derive the normal form of equation of a line, we are going to consider the previous formula, that is intercept formula. By the equation, or we are using the intercept form, by the intercept form we can write. So we are using the intercept form in order to derive the normal form of equation of a line. What is intercept form? That is nothing but x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. X divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So this is nothing but intercept form of equation of a line. So if we know what is a and b, you can substitute here and you can try to simplify the given equation. So now here I can say that with the given statement or with the help of this diagram, I can say that angle AOM, that is nothing but alpha. Angle AOM, which is nothing but alpha, and clearly we can say that angle AOM is equal to alpha, and clearly angle OBM is also is equal to alpha. Angle AOM is equal to alpha. Clearly the angle OBM, that is also equal to alpha. So now let me to consider the triangle AOM. So in the triangle AOM, with respect to the triangle AOM, I am considering or expression for cos of alpha. So what is meant by cos alpha? Cos theta means that is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta I can write it as with respect to the triangle AOM, cos theta is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but OM divided by OA. OM divided by OA. So what is meant by OM? OM is nothing but the length of the perpendicular, that is P, divided by OA, that is the x-intercept, that is nothing but A, or I can write like this, that is cos alpha is equal to P by A, or A cos alpha is equal to P. This implies that what is meant by A? A is equal to P divided by cos of alpha. A is equal to P divided by cos alpha. So let us consider with respect to the triangle next part. If we consider the triangle BOM, or if we are considering the triangle OBM, so with respect to the triangle OBM, I can write expression for sin alpha. What is sin alpha? Sin alpha is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but with respect to sin alpha, that is opposite divided by hypotenuse, you can write it as OM divided by this OB. OM divided by OB, or OM is nothing but length of the perpendicular, that is P, divided by OB is nothing but y-intercept, that gives the value as B, P divided by P, which can be written as P is equal to B sin alpha. So this I can write it as P is equal to B into sin alpha, or B can be written as P divided by sin of alpha. B is nothing but B, I can write it as P divided by sin alpha. So we know the values of A and B, then equation star can be written as, how to write equation star? Equation star becomes, or equation star can be written as, what is equation star? X divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. That is, x divided by value of A is equal to, A is nothing but P divided by cos alpha plus y divided by B value is nothing but P divided by sin alpha is equal to 1, or this can also be written as P by cos alpha. When that goes to the numerator, you can write it as x cos alpha divided by P plus y sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1, or I can write the final answer, that is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to whole divided by P, or P multiplied with 1, that is nothing but P. So this is nothing but normal form of equation of a line. This equation I can consider it as normal form of equation of a line, and with respect to this equation, P is nothing but the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line, and alpha with respect to cos alpha and sin alpha, alpha is nothing but angle made by this perpendicular with the positive direction of x axis. So let's continue in the next class with respect to the problems and the general equation of a line. Thank you.